Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want to create an ad. We want to create an A or B testing kind of ads, and we're going to create that at first here. So I want to check something. I want to talk about the survey. What we want to carry out is an action ad. We want people to go to a website or want them to come to a group. So we'll be creating an A or B testing for this particular ads I want to create right now, and we're going to see what it's going to be like at the very end. So I'm going to just create the ads right now. I'm going to come to Facebook to create the ads, this type of ads with this brand. So I'm coming to my ad center to create this ad, and here we have different ads to create. So I'm going to click on advertise, and coming to advertise, we're going to choose the type of ads we want to create. We'll be able to create this type of ads. So we want to create compare two ads. We want to compare two ads. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to choose that. So right now, choose two posts to boost at the same time to see which performs better. So we can choose two posts to see which performs better. And what I want to do now is to create. So let's choose that two posts and see how this A or B testing will go. So this first one is for the survey, and this second one is for a regular post. So I'm going to nest this, and having to nest this, we'll be able to choose two ads. I want to change this. I want to change the goal. I'll change the goal to get more website visitor. That will be the goal for this. I'm going to save it, and having to choose that, we're going to come here to see the first one will be learn more, and let's see what it's going to be like, both learn more, and let's see the website URL. So I'm going to choose the blog post. I created a blog post earlier on for this. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back to the ad to continue that. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to Control A to Control V to paste that, and we have this right now. So I'm going to proceed straight away to see the A or B testing, and we're going to change this. So what I'm going to do now is people you choose. So let's see what we're going to do here. Advantage audience, or we choose our audience. So I can just choose our audience from people you choose to targeting. I'm going to just choose this, or people who like your page. I'm going to choose this. A page like custom audience and ad targeting option that lets you find your existing audience among people who are on Facebook. So I'm just going to see my people. Let's choose my people, and this will be my people. Okay, let's choose the refinements for awareness. Let's choose this particular audience, and we're going to continue this way. So we're going to just make it like a 2-day thing. Let's make it a 1-day thing, and here we have this. So let's make something like this. So we have a 7,000 for 1 day, and we have link clicks in between 299 to 662. So what I'm going to do now to create this particular ads is to create new set of posts. So I'll create new set of posts. So let's do that. That's just A or B testing, but let's create a new set of posts. So I'll start by creating a new set of posts to start this ad. So what I'm going to do now is to come to Facebook here to start the post. I'm going to create the first. So I'm going to click on the image. I have the image right here. I'm going to come to my AI PSDS to use the image for this ad, and this is the image right here. But we are going to use A or B testing to finish this off. So I'm going to just write a copy. So I'm going to come to ChatGPT to complete a copy. I'm going to just write two different copies for this ad, or yeah, let's write two different copies just to make a comparison. I'm going to come to this. I'm going to come to this to try to template the ads. So we're going to see what we want to have here. So what I'm going to do now is to convert this particular copy. I made a copy earlier on for an event. I'll say convert this to a Facebook copy. I want it short for an A or B testing on Facebook. I want it as short as 250 characters each for A and B. Then the ad goal be to generate traffic to a website. So let's do this. Let's do this right now. So I'm going to just prompt this and see what the copy would look like. So we created an A or B. We have two different varieties of this particular ad, and we're going to have that copied. So let's see. The copy A says have your say. So we're going to use this. I'm going to use this right now. Copy, and I'm going to come back here to copy this. So I'm going to come back here to paste this, as a post, and here it is. So I'm going to paste this. This will be for A, and this says have your say, help us build a better Nigeria by sharing your experience from the end bad governance or hardship protests. Yes, take our quick survey and make your voice count in shaping peace and justice. So we have this, and we're going to say the survey link, what we are going to use for this particular survey link. So the first link would be the website. I have a website strategy, so I'm going to post the link for the website. So I'm going to come here. This is the website, and this is where people get to survey. They get to fill the survey form from here. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to copy this straight away, and I'm going to come back here. I'm going to copy this straight away. I'm going to come back here to paste it. So I'll be able to paste this right now. That would link people to the website. So I'll use my hashtag, or let's just leave hashtag alone. Create this first testing. So this is the first, we're going to just create it right now. So I'm just going to say click here, and we're going to create this as a post. I'm going to post this, and the second, not now, and the second, we're going to try to create the second post, which is this, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back to my post right now to continue that. I'm going to wait for this to be posted, and let's post the second right now. I'm going to come to my home page, and I'm going to try to post the second. We use the same image actually, so I'm going to just add, and I'm going to use this particular image. Then I'm going to paste this right now. I'm going to paste the copy, and this says make a difference, your voice matters in creating a just Nigeria. Share your story from the end bad governance hardship protest in our survey. Be part of the solution. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to come back here and take the survey. This is another word, so we're going to just use take the survey here. So I'm just going to use take the survey here. So we're going to come back here. We're going to post a group. Okay, join this group. Okay, we're going to say join this group, join this WhatsApp community to take the survey. We're going to make it this, and I'm going to paste a group link here. So the first one was a website, and now is a group link. So I'm going to come back here to post a group link, and coming back to the group, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to invite to group via link. I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to come back here to continue my post, and coming back here, I'm going to just come here to continue my post right now. So I'm going to paste the group link, and here we have the group link. Then I'm going to post that as a post as well. So we have two different ads we can use right now for A or B testing, and I'll go at it to create my A or B testing, and we're going to see how it goes. By the time we're analyzing the results of the ads, we're going to see how it goes. So right now I'm going to come to my ad center to create the A or B testing, and coming back here, I'm going to just click on advertise. I'm going to click on advertise, and having to click on advertise, I'm going to click on compare two ads. I'm going to use this compare two ads to create the two ads, the A or B testing effect. And here we have the two ads I want to compare. I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to choose this. This will be the A tag, and this will be the B tag. So we're going to nest that so we can compare the two ads together. So I'm going to nest that, and I'm going to change this goal. I'm going to change this goal to automatic. Yes, we can change it to automatic. So let me change this goal to automatic, and I'm going to have this off. So it's going to be an automatic goal. Since we have a link, we have two links, we have two different links right there. Let's see what we want to make it. We're going to make it get more website visitors, get more calls. So let's make it this. When you make it this, you need to add a website link, but I'm going to make it a no button. So yeah, we want to make it a website visitor kind of ads. So we're going to just continue right now. So winner based on your goal, the winning ad in this test will be the one that gets the most link clicks. So I'm just going to go in right now. I'm going to continue this, and here we're going to just leave it at the advantage audience. The audience will be broad, and after this we're going to create the one we're going to refine after that. So here we're going to use the advantage audience. We're going to make it broad, and we're going to continue straight away. So I'm just going to come right here. I'm going to make it a 1 day ad to see how it goes, and this will be spending 7,000 for the A or B testing, and we expect 232 to 669 link clicks, and the ads are shared to 35. The first A would take the first 35, and the second B would take the next 35, and we have that as an estimate. So I'm just going to continue that. I'm going to continue and compare these ads and see how it goes. So we have the two ads right here. This is what it's going to look like. We have the two ads, of course. So I'm just going to compare the ads and create the ads straight away. So I'll just click on compare ads, and that way we'll be able to create this particular A or B testing effect. And that way we'll be able to create an A or B testing ads. In the next lesson or in subsequent lesson, we're going to check the results and see which performs well, and we are going to get to see the winner. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.